Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and today we are looking at the legend of Daddy Longlegs. And at the very end, we are going to show you a secret Roman elf video that will literally blow our minds about Poppy Playtime. Let's go! So first, we're gonna look at that legend of Daddy Longlegs. Oh, whoa! It's my mom! What's happening? Oh no! She's trapped her in the web!
Just relax.
Oh my god.
Let go. Well, you'll be out of breath soon enough. Then we'll have some quiet.
Oh my gosh.
Mommy Longlegs.
Who's that? Who's that? Who's that?
You can't hide from me forever.
It's Daddy Longlegs! Ah, this is getting crazy. Oh, she dropped.
Hello? Who's that other voice? Anyone out there?
Be quiet, Blair.
Where are you?
Claire? Oh my god, it's Blair. That's like, oh my god. Oh, it's like Ellie when she doesn't get what she wants. Poppy! Saved him.
You're okay. I got you. Just try and keep it down. That thing can hear
Daddy
you.
Longlegs laughing. Okay,
What is that thing?
Claire.
Well, you met Mommy Longlegs.
So that's
Want to take a guess?
Daddy Longlegs.
Daddy Longlegs?
Uh-huh.
What's his deal?
Let me get you out of here first. Mommy's silk is all hard. It's like a rock.
I'm free!
Let's hope you
Shh,
didn't
shh, shh. You heard that?
hear that. Run, player!
Run.
Way ahead of you!
Oh! He's like a leg. Oh my god,
Watch your step.
how'd they
Gotta
go?
rescue
Where'd they go?
Huggy from Mommy Longlegs before Daddy catches up.
Huggy got captured?
So, are they married?
No way.
No
They
way.
hate each other. See, Xavier made Daddy Longlegs to keep Mommy company. But since
Huh?
male spiders are smaller, he came out tiny.
Oh.
Mommy picked on him with no end.
Aww.
She hated being a monster. And now she finally had someone to take her anger out on.
Aww.
That's awful.
That's awful.
It gets worse.
Oh.
One night, while Mommy tormented him, he discovered a dangerous serum the engineers.
Don't go in there. He does
Tell
have
me you didn't.
Of course he did. Suddenly, a dangerous
Ah! He turned into a spider!
Now Daddy was the hunter and Mommy the prey.
So, he wants Mommy dead. So do we. Shouldn't we be
Everyone
buddies?
wants Mommy dead.
Daddy Longlegs is a sadistic maniac who loves seeing people squirm. You can't
Huh.
reason with him. All you can do is run.
Oh shoot, he's right there. He looks like Killy Willy. I'm not gonna mention.
Right up there.
Just gonna mention it. Oh.
Player, I'm slipping.
No! Poppy! Hold on!
Oh. Oh, we just ate Poppy. Is she okay?
No!
Poppy. Poppy. He
Here's
burped.
my chance. Well, he's digesting.
Digesting? Oh yeah. Isn't it?
Delicious.
Uh-oh.
What if you left your...
Oh, why does it have to be an ad in the middle of a video? Everyone tell me why that has to happen, literally. Should I subscribe? Nah, I'm not gonna
find a way to
subscribe right
save
now.
her. If Daddy Longlegs has a weakness, Huggy's the only other person who'd know about it.
Yes, he would.
Rescuing him from Mommy is my only chance.
Go.
This looks like her web.
Uh-oh.
She must be nearby.
Mommy's close. You can hear her
My
laugh.
instinct is telling me I shouldn't go toward that noise, but I have no choice.
Yeah, you can go back and like escape Playtime Co and have a good life.
Just gotta bop her on the head and save Huggy Wuggy.
Get some electrical things.
Yeah, I got this.
Okay, what are you gonna
There you
do?
are, Mommy Longlegs. No more running away. Tell me where Huggy Wuggy is.
What's he doing?
Oh.
What is that? What's she doing? Ah! She's eating Huggy Wuggy! What? Oh my god. Just ate her.
No!
Oh, poor baby. Oh, no.
Where's she going?
Friends to rescue you this time.
Stay back!
Is that all you've got? No no big escape plan? Nothing up your sleeve? I'm almost disappointed.
She
I
is.
know how I'd like to play with my food.
I'm scared. Oh, where'd you
Come
go?
on, run. I've been dying to hunt something.
Uh-oh.
Where are you going,
Where you
little
going?
morsel?
That's for me to know and for you to find out.
Oh, goody.
I love you.
I love surprises.
That can't be good.
Oh, Daddy Longlegs, I'm back.
Uh-oh.
I've never met someone so desperate to be eaten.
We'll see about that.
2 dogs.
I've already swallowed your
Oh.
friend.
Yes, we know.
You really think you stand a chance against me?
We'll watch Mommy Longlegs come over.
But she might.
You.
2 snacks for the price of 1.
Get out of my way, Daddy.
Daddy
This
pig.
one's mine.
Are you sure about that? He's in
I'm sure
my
about that.
territory.
I'm sure about that.
Territory.
Oh.
These tunnels are mine. You just squat here like a bum.
You still treat me like I'm half your size.
Huh.
But things have changed.
Uh-oh.
Now, if you
Something's
want
about to happen.
me, you'll have to make me.
Are they gonna fight?
Fine. I'm not scared of you.
Oh.
Prove it.
Whoa.
Phew. This has got to be one of my stupidest plans ever.
No,
Here's how it works.
Whoa. Oh.
No.
You got her.
You have to fight. Fight to the end.
This can't be good.
You always did have a killer left hook. But it'll take more than that to get rid of me.
Oh, you haven't seen
Moment, is that what they usually choose? No. Whoa. Oh, they're fighting. So they all got like scratches on them. Ah! Oh my god.
All you got?
So,
Why don't you come over and find out?
We'll take her.
oh no. The other.
Don't feel so good.
Uh-oh. Oh no, defeated.
Do you? Now I'll claim the territory I so richly
Oh.
deserve.
Oh. Oh, they both oof. Uh-oh.
Poppy, you're okay.
Barely.
Barely.
What happened?
You were trapped in Daddy Longlegs' stomach. Luckily, Mommy cut you an exit.
Let's go.
Mommy and Daddy Longlegs defeated. Oh, I wish Huggy Wuggy was here to see this.
He's right there.
Well, I wish that
He's
more
gonna be
people
right
would
here.
subscribe to the channel. Do you know that only 12% of our
Oh no, they're using a
It's the best
six.
way to make sure you never miss an episode. But it would be nice if Huggy Wuggy could come back. That's good.
He's there.
Huggy!
Oh, big
Daddy
no.
Bobby Longlegs are gone for good.
Are you sure about that? Is that it? That was it? What? And here's the Romanel secret video right here. Making a big picture of Poppy Playtime. 3,245 views. Are you guys ready? Let's go. Okay, we got Poppy. Just put her down. This is nice. I've only seen this once, and this was July 19th, man. Whoa. Mommy Longlegs and Poppy? How is this gonna turn out? It's Kissy Missy. Who's next? Huggy Wuggy. Well, what is? Oh, that's my little other Huggy Wuggy that got his eyes chewed out by Luna. You know her. Cuckoo. Is that PJ? Is that it? Is that it? Did we finish? Oh yeah, I think we finished. Nice. My mom keeps calling me to get to dinner table. And that was the secret. And that was the secret video. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe to the Romanelle Show. Well, I'll see you again soon. Bye.